Hello, and welcome to a new podcast, which will be short this time, about another principle in Hellenistic astrology, which this one is a principle that we still use in modern astrology. It is dividing the zodiac wheel into three triangles, leaned from the word trine, which is a 120-degree angle between all the signs you can see in the upper picture. So you see the zodiac and you see the trines that are built between special signs within this zodiac signs. It resulted later in medieval convention of four triplicity groups, which you can see in the picture. Triplicity 1 is between Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Triplicity 2 is between Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn, whereas Triplicity 3 is built between Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius, and Triplicity 4 finally between Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. The background for triplicities is the proposal around the 6th century before Christ of the early pre-Socratic Greek philosophers that all things in the universe could be reduced to a single underlying principle. Later, philosophers outlined four of these principles called roots: water, air, fire, and earth. Plato was the first in the 4th century before Christ who refers to them as elements. The earliest source of the association of each of the signs of the zodiac with the four elements is from Vettius Valens in the mid-century of 2nd century. He introduced the qualities to be associated to signs. Fire, he said, is for Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Earth for Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Air for Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. And water finally for Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. About the qualities, we find that fire is hot, air is cold, water is wet, and earth is dry. For those following Stoicism, there are two principles, the active and the passive. Fire and air were conceptualized as being active and capable of sustaining things, while earth and water were seen as passive and needed to be sustained. In modern interpretations, we use the element as qualities that describe the personality in a natal chart. For example, a native who has a lot of celestial bodies and angles in one element is considered to approach life in a certain way, whereas someone with a relative equal distribution of the elements is said to have more of a balanced temper. Curious to know how your own elemental state is in your birth chart? Check it out and let us know in the chat how it turns out for you personally. See you next time. Bye.